us, the Torres Strait Island people, we have a contact with the sea on a daily basis. So it's hard to say that you haven't woken up and you didn't see the sea for one day.
Well, the sea is it's sort of like sacred to us. Like for Aboriginal people, it's the land. But for us, it's both the land and the sea, but mainly the sea.
Ghost net it's an abandoned fishing net that is destroying coastline and marine life here in Western Cape and some parts of east coast of Australia. Today now turtles are dying in the net. Turtle is also it's a story and a totem for many Torres Strait Islanders, but it's also a very you could say a food source for generations before me, before my grandparents, before them. So to get that balance of understanding for the turtle to survive, we must also maintain and look after our sea country here. I see it as a very important issue for me because I live in the Torres Strait, which is little islands surrounded by sea.
We do beach patrols here every 2 weeks. With all the marine debris, especially ghost nets and ropes, they're a threat to our environment. The net takes anything that's in its path. They can last over 100 years in the ocean.
The art with ghost nets has been so successful because it works on so many levels, especially in remote communities.
A few ropes and
So in these communities, there isn't many jobs. So art is one thing that people can do. There's free art material, make it into something beautiful. Then it can be sent off to a gallery and it's displayed in a different setting. Then it's telling the story about a ghost net, and it tells not only about the story about the artwork itself and the artists and the community, it's talking about that material and what it's done, and it helps educate people about the terrible thing that ghost net is.
I'm proud of what I'm doing with the net and sharing my culture through art to the rest of the world.